Hey, hello. We are about to start. So yesterday I dropped the database with the script. Mm, and I fixed it, but there was no way to retrieve the data, so it's the bad thing, but my database is set, and currently I will have to secure it properly, but maybe not now, not so mandatory at this moment. I will do it. I will do it on the off stream, and when I was fixing it, my code compiled well and it runs, but it then quits. So I have a error, runtime error, and the problem is probably with this function. It took me a lot of time to debug it. And finally, I received the full stack trace, and the reason was here, and probably there's something null. Something of these things, or PG get value returns a null, and I'm trying to make at all long number from the null. I've added just exception just to have sure that this is the case. And later on, I will change this to check for the null at the beginning. But for now, I will leave it as it is. Okay, not this one. This one. Make. Oh my god, it's going to compile the whole. I don't understand this because sometimes it only compiles the one file and sometimes it compiles the whole project. I guess it's the reason that now I edited, let's say, an interface, but previously I was editing implementation. So maybe that's a reason. So we have to wait. So maybe I'm going to change it anyway. We'll Google this one. Okay, where's my browser? Here it is. I wanna check for the null. If it is null and zero if it contains an null. Okay. Let's copy it. Okay, 30%, okay. It's a try catch. So now I think I can remove this one. Okay, I will leave it for now. But but here. If but how can I use it? Oh my god. It's handle cursor and I guess row number. Int whole number equals number and also here call number and here call number. Equal equals 1, so it's a null. And you can just return 0. Do I have really setting this one? Okay, maybe no. Else I will do it this way. Data equals 0. Okay, return data. So if it's a null, it returns 1. Okay. It's still compiling. Okay, there's some issue here. Variable tracking size limit. I don't know what's that. I guess it can be a problem later on without this function. I don't know what it does, but probably it loads some Lua script. Because Lua script interface. Probably I can initialize it with 0. And if it equals 0, then do this. And I don't need the else because it's initialized. Here probably I would like to just return, but I don't need this. I guess I would just print the exception. Also, I don't need this one because it initializes both. Let me just return data. Okay. It's compiled. Okay, I will wait a second because the stream is not working. Also, I guess I will have to add some example, let's say data, but I guess it's going to be hard. Probably I will have to do it on my own. Okay, the stream is back. Okay, so still there is a problem. Okay, wait. What was the command? gdb file tfs done run. Null pointer. Oh, I had somewhere. Oh my god. Not this browser. It's this one. Command. And print the stack trace. Which one is for the stack trace? PT. In Apple. Okay, so it's not catched? So this error is not going to be catched. Really? Oh. Oh. Okay, copy it again and again we will compile it. And again, we are going to wait. Is the way to terminate? I'm going to copy this one. Just make. Okay, and it's going to compile it again. It was not declaring the scope. Oh, here. XC. But I'm going fastly to enter this one. Okay. Copy again. Paste again. And okay, let's make it. Oh my god. And I guess I can remove something that okay, this one. Because when I was debugging it, I was trying everything just to, let's say, make a breakpoint. The GDP, I guess. Yes, GDB, but the breakpoint doesn't work. As I have to say that really connection to the Postgres works. Man, there's one thing that I have to do. I guess no, there's no problem. It's compiled, okay. Because the scripts in the Lua, and the scripts updates the database, and I don't know if they work or not. I guess it worked because there was also issue with one function here, I guess. Yes, with this one. Because MySQL allows you to define the columns names in the quote, but I don't know how to say it. The angled quote, not the straight one, single quote, but the angled, let's say. Okay, I'll show you with this one quote. It's simple, and Postgres do not allow it, so I had to change it simply. And really, this function looks simple. Maybe it's not in the C++ way, but it's easy to read and you know what it's doing. Work. Okay, there's also issue with some data. I figure out what's wrong there. I mean, okay, these errors could not find vampire rat, cave rat, elephant, rabbit, etc. There's just a typo in the main monsters file. I guess also on the option I will try to create new repository with all the things I currently made. Because I don't want to lose all the changes here. Is with the config. Okay, the config may be reset. Maybe why this what I don't know. Login protocol port, game protocol port, status protocol port. Oh my god. And so there will be. I try with it. GDP. Oh my god. GDB file TS run it. Okay. Okay, we proceed further. Day 16 M construct not valid terminate call after. Okay, now the whole hard phrase I want. PT. Terminate row get stream. DB result get stream. But what's the issue? Line 188. 188. Okay, there's nothing here. I will guess I will not. Oh, I will leave it. Oh, in the retro, really? So I can retro it. Oh my god. Okay. Let's save it. Let's copy, paste. Now make only one file. Okay. Control reaches end of non-void function. Return type. I guess I will return the null PTR. No PTR here. Okay. Now make GDB ILT FS run it. Okay. Segmentation for basically M console null not valid. But where still copy? Free memory. Okay, let's start with I don't remember BT. Top stream size, file loader. Gonna assign short. Load houses items. Read file loader. So we're going to fill a file loader, but it's H or PPP. H170. Here? Really? Okay, it's some strange function. In size 165. Okay, it's null. Size T. I don't know what's that. But I have to, if any, no, and equals null ptr, then return. I don't know what's p. My god, it's really okay. If any of these ones is null, I will just return 0. Okay, and the whole project, I guess, it will compile. No. Space, place, Q, yes, and make. Okay, almost everything, I guess. Going to compile. I wonder if I should record on the World of Warcraft, because only 2 delves left for me. Maybe I will record it, but on the small tier, let's say, because I'm not going to make higher tiers because it annoys me so much. I don't want to think about what I have to dodge, etc. I'm playing Elden Ring, it's enough for me to think. Okay, maybe I will just take some time when it compiles and create the repository. New forgotten server. PostgreSQL. Okay, I will add it in the. Okay, let's make it private for now. Fork of the forgotten server. I will post the description like the repository I took. Version 18. Fork of the forgotten server. Version 18 for PostgreSQL. add readme, git ignore. I will copy it from the previous one, license. Okay, now there's no going to be license. I will just copy it from the previous repository and paste it. For now, it's going to be private. Okay, a second. Okay, so it compiled. And now GDB GDB fire TFS, run it. Oh, fucking success! Forgotten server online. Cool. So I guess I can now just remove the logs I've added. Amazing. It compiled, but I don't have any plan. Why deletion? So it, lol, expires that. Okay, but status okay. Guess I will try to connect it. I used to do this one, but I have to move it because when I will enter the download directory, probably the strange things you will see. That might get it down. Now I can move it here. Oh, I'll try with the URL. Okay, it worked, but no. Not valid terminate call after trying and install. Okay, stack trace. Can't remember it. BT. What's wrong with the stack trace? Is IP banned? Gets 3 with withdraw again. But we are really on the good point, really. And we are going to return null PTR. Okay, now and the password is not a thing here because there's no accounts already there, so. But I have connection, so it's great. And now database C++. I can you. Yes. Make GDP. Fire TFS. Read it. Okay. Now I am going to try to log in. We have null not valid. Stack trace. Oh my god. BT? Yes, BT. IP ban. Okay. Database 171. Get string 171171 here. So what's the reason? As reason database 171 basic string age. I don't get it. So I can return null in place of this one? I don't get it. Okay, C++ return null. So I can return null? But can I return normal, not the pointer? I will see. Wait, yes. Okay, you don't see this one. Paste it here. Okay, make. Okay, I can. So I have to return null bit here. But I will return here empty string. We'll see how it behaves. I guess now I have errors because of the empty database. That something expects the data, but there's no data there. And it's not working without the data. GDP, TFS, run. Okay, now let's try. Set up the table. Okay. Where's the OTS here? Okay. Login. Okay. I'm consumer not valid. BT. Oh. Okay. Valid cursor. Your P has been banned. Ban reason specified none. Okay. I will try to enter to the bans. Okay, there's no ban. So I guess I can maybe in the IP bans. Okay, there's also no bans there. Uh, uh, uh. I would like to add some basic data. Some basic data to the database. The empty string works, but it's not working. Okay, I will retry it with the new PTR because I have to know which function is for the banning people, let's say. Paste. Okay. Now make gdb file tfs, run it. Okay, we have, and now the client login. We have is IP band. Okay, ban CPP 170. CPP 117. It's him. Get string reason. But why am I here? Ban no empty string I give here. Okay, one more thing. PTR result. If there's no result, we return false. Expires at. It's not 0. And time null PTR begin then expires at. Okay, but it's pretty strange because I don't have expires at. Okay, I will copy this one. I guess I can remove queens from here and press query. I guess I will leave the queries, but I will remove from here database age also. Okay, there will tons of things will what will tons of things are going to compile now. So okay, we have 3 files. Yes, we'll have 3 files. Okay, but here expires at time no PTR. I guess the problem is that the null PTR is 0 and expires at is 0, and 0 is not bigger than 0. You don't see how much. And here, I guess the problem is here because 0 is not bigger than 0. So I guess it's going to be something like this to work. But we will see then on this one. Expires is not 0. Okay, but I return 0 because there's no data. Because I return 0, so my timestamp is the beginning of the computers. Hmm. So this one is the problem. So expires at 0 means there is a ban, permaban. But I can return null here. Okay, I will do it if I can. C++, oh my god. C++ assign null ptr to int. Okay, I can assign none. Okay, so I will have to check for the none value. Math H. No, really the 0 or because if it's a 0, then there's no ban. And if time, I guess it will current timestamp it gives is bigger than expires at, so in this case 0, go here. Or expires now, expires at is now. Okay, good. I just have to catch 0 here, I guess. Oh my gosh, so ban CPP, database CPP, database H. File loader? What, I have changed the file loader. Oh, okay, this one. Database CPP, database H, that fancy. Copy, paste, place, quit, terminated, and now make, and I'm going AFK. No way. I've changed more things. Oh, okay. Yes, I've changed more things. Make. And now it compiles. Be right back.